Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Someday Is Now. Today, our travels take us to the beautiful Texas countryside, specifically Thousand Trails Colorado River near Columbus, about 75 miles west of Houston, right off I-10. If you're looking for a peaceful getaway with river views and plenty of outdoor fun, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Thousand Trails Colorado River offers a variety of amenities. They have a hot tub and swimming pool, a pickleball court, basketball court, 18 holes of putt-putt, and a clubhouse with hundreds of books and DVDs. They accept packages for $5, or you can use an Amazon Dropbox about 5 miles away in Columbus.
Another great amenity here at Thousand Trails Colorado River is the pool area. They have one pool here. Beautiful. Kept up very well. There's a gentleman here cleaning it just a little bit ago. Seemed to do a very thorough job. Have a covered area there if you want to come and sit, have your cocktail on a nice day here by the pool. One of the things I really like is this hot tub area. It's closed in and the water was nice. We checked it out yesterday. It was about 104, 105 degrees, very nice. And again, I mean, beautiful pool area. Cornhole out there. There's a basketball court, a pickleball or tennis court over there. Lots to do here, but hey, it's clean. Places to change into your suit, bathroom if you need it, sinks if you need it. What more can you ask for?
Here's the boat ramp. Going down to the river, Colorado River of Texas, flowing oh so gently down to the Gulf of America. There's several bathhouses, comfort stations if you will, located around the campground. We'll give you a quick peek of the ladies' room here. Pretty nice. They've got a couple showers, which are, they look to be clean.
All right, Thousand Trails Colorado River. What do you think, Miss Martha?
Well, it's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, but it sure is peaceful. The river is what I call a lazy river, and the campground is huge. The property, I don't know how many acres the property is, but it's enormous. Several different loops. The loop that we're in, Loop E, is great if you have Starlink because it's wide open. But if you're looking for shade, then Loops C, D, and A are probably a better choice for you. What do you think, Russ?
So the place is massive. I don't know how many acres this place is, but it is gigantic. It's really spread out, but we really like that. The roads are paved nicely. There's some great trails here. It's not far from town if you need to resupply. You really feel like you're in a pecan orchard. There's pecan trees all over the place here. And whenever it's harvest time, my understanding is they'll let
you can go collect pecans, yes. We did have a problem with our first site. The original site that we were put into had a leaky water pipe underground, so it kind of got really muddy over there. But we brought it to their attention. They were really on the ball, sent somebody out. They moved us to a different site because they're going to have to dig up that site and fix the water problem. But we're very happy. We're on the end, and as you know, I love to go out and look at the stars at night, and it is a great place to do that. There's very little city light, and you're really out in the country and big wide sky. So I'm very happy with it. 5 stars from me.
Me too. I give it 5 stars. Great spot. If you're in the Thousand Trails world, this is definitely a nice stopover if you're traveling in Texas. We're going to be heading up to San Antonio area next. We're looking forward to that, but I am definitely 5 stars, going with 5 stars on Colorado River 1,000 Trails.
Yeah, this is our third 1,000 Trails in Texas, and they've all been great. So there are some permanent sites, but they're really well kept. They are not messing around when they say your rig has to be in good condition, no tarps over it, anything like that. So it's been a great experience for us, and we would recommend it. About halfway between Houston and San Antonio. So our next video will be from Medina Lake, just west of San Antonio. Stay tuned for that.
See you there.